bored, aren't you? Yeah, I'm so bored. Like, I don't want to watch TV anymore. It's getting really boring. Yeah, and it's raining outside, so we can't go outside. Like, that's like so just, yeah. I know, right? Anyways. Ooh, wait, yeah? You wanna play Roblox? Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, let's go. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna pause the video real quick. I forgot to do the intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 𝓘𝓽'𝓼. So for today's video, I will be doing the power goes out during the storm. So yeah, and I will be doing sound effects like thunder and lightning and like rain sounds. So yeah, I will be upgrading some of my videos. Like when I make videos, I will be doing them on Iris, I don't know, guys. I will be doing the. I need to put my phone in the charger. Okay, let me put my phone in the charger, guys. Oh, and I need to turn my phone down. I'm so sorry, y'all, because my phone is probably so loud. Okay. So yeah. Anyways, but yeah. So yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's go. I'm so excited. Yeah, me too. What if the power goes up? Oh my gosh, don't be silly. The power's not gonna go out. Like, what are you saying? Like, the power never goes out. I know, but like, what if it goes out? Oh my gosh, you're being so dramatic, bro. Okay, please. Wait, do you want to play that new karate game that's on Roblox? Oh my gosh, yes. Okay. Okay, join me, hurry. Okay, Jid, can I like not get on, like, can I not, like, why are you rushing me? Like, wait, did I do something to you? Like, Jesus, stop. Like, don't tell me to hurry up. Like, I can take my own time. Like, do not rush me. Okay, geez, I only told you to hurry up. Goodness. Okay, let's play. What has happened? Guys. Hey guys, I'm gonna go to the elevator. So yeah, I'm gonna check on you later. Guys, we're here. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go check on. Oh, by the way, this is Avery, and this is Luke. Okay, yeah. Okay. Anyway. Okay, I'm gonna go check on Avery. Oh, by the way, this is me. This is mine. Yeah, this is me. So yeah. Yeah, this is me. But yeah, we're just okay. Okay. Anyways, okay. Yeah, but I just made a character as me, and I just use it as the mom, cause like yeah, that. But yeah. But guys, I'm tired. Okay, I'm gonna go check on Avery and see if she's almost done doing homework. Guys, pretend that there's a door here. Knocks on the door. I'm gonna put a sound effect. Avery, can I come in? Oh, yeah, Mom. Okay, opens the door. Hey girl, what you doing? Nothing. I'm almost done finishing my homework. I just need to do like one more assignment. Okay, well, I was just checking on you. Do you want anything, like a snack or like some boba? Cause I'm about to go out. Yes, please, Mom. Get me some boba. Oh, okay. What kind? Can I get the, Girl, hurry up. I don't got all day. I need to go. Okay, just get. Okay, jet. Okay. Okay, just give me the bubble that I always get. Like Jesus. Okay. That's all you had to say. Okay, I'm almost done with my assignment. Okay, let me put my hat on just in case. Oh, and I need to get an umbrella. Which, guys, I need to get an umbrella. Goodness. Okay, she's just gonna use this one because I can't find any other one. Okay, I got the umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, 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 Okay, guys, this is Avery's. Wait, no, this is Melanie's. Yeah, this is Melanie's. Yeah, this is Melanie's when she. Wait, no. Oh. Yeah, this is Melanie's. Guys, her name is not gonna be Madison. Her name's gonna be Melanie. Melanie. Go back to where you were. Babe, I'm out. I'm gonna go to the Boba's, I'm gonna go out, to this, spot that I found on TikTok. Okay. Wait, what? You found it on what? TikTok. You know they'd be lying. Okay, but I'm just gonna go. Bye. Love you. Love you. Mwah. Okay, bye. Now I'm gonna go. Bye bye. Okay, let me lock the door. Let me get back to work. Clock the door. Clock. I meant lock. Okay, let's go. What the heck? Okay, guys, hold on. I'm about to. Oh my gosh, it's raining hard outside. I need to hurry up and go in. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, guys, I need to put the worker. I'm gonna, yeah. It's okay. Oh, she's gonna be working here, guys. Move, get yo, get back. Oh my gosh, Bailey. Oh, hey, Mrs. Bella. Hi, Mrs. Bella. Hi, it's so good to see you. Hi. Oh, hey. I didn't know who she was talking to. Yeah. I just came to get Avery some boba, and yeah, cause she said she wanted some boba from here, and I found this place on TikTok, and yeah, she really wanted some, and I'm gonna get the kids some too. Okay, well, we're just ordering. You can get in front of us, cause she's taking forever. I am not taking forever, Dad. Besides, we need to hurry up and go because it's gonna storm. Wait, you said it's gonna storm? Yeah, you didn't know? Oh my god, I did not check the weather detail. I need to hurry up and order. You can, it's okay, y'all hurry up and go. Okay. can I just get this cupcake? I said this cupcake. Yes, that would be. Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you. Okay, come on, Dad. Okay, I need to hurry up. Bye, bye. Go out. Side. Why are they in? Okay, just gonna go for them. Okay. Hi, can I please have a can I have 2 boba drinks? A brown boba and a green boba, please, with a cup holder. And can I have some macaroons, please? Yes, you may. Let me go ahead and get. Do you want a cup holder? Yeah. Okay. Let me get that for you. Okay, and you said brown and green boba? No, 2 brown bobas. Okay, I'm so sorry, ma'am. I just got you wrong. It's okay. Okay, macaroons. I'm gonna just put this right there. And let me get the macaroons. 𝓘𝓽'𝓼, do you want any free donuts for the 4th of July? Oh, yes, please. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Okay, here's your stuff. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. Okay, your total. Let me go get that bag for you. Or do you want a box? A box, please. Okay, let me go get that for you. Oh my gosh, you need to hurry up. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna just give her this one. Okay, I'm back with the box. Are you gonna hold the drinks? Guys, the box is not fitting, so I'm gonna just get a bag. I don't even think it's gonna fit in the bag, so yeah. Anyways, okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna just put a vibe. Baby, are you gonna put a vibe? Okay, I'm gonna see. That could fit in there. Okay, yeah, okay. There's a container in there. I'm gonna put the donuts in there. Okay. Okay. Do you want all the donuts or yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put the macaroons also in there. Okay, and your total will be $50.99. Goodness, it's $50? Hold on, I have to stop. Bro, she got me spending $50 on just some macaron, on just some 2 bobas and donuts. $50? Like, goodness, at least I got free macaroons. Okay, I'm back. Okay, here's your stuff, ma'am. Thank you. I'm gonna put my phone in there. In the bag. Okay. And here you go. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Hold this. Okay, I should have told her to come with me to hold these drinks. Clearly, I cannot, bro. Okay, eat the done cupcake, and you hold it. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna cut this video. Yeah. Eat zucchini. Okay, guys, so. Bro, it's so boring, bro. I know. Let's put our iPads up. This is really boring. Yeah. But what should we do? I don't know. Opens door. Unlocks the door, I meant. Okay, babe, I'm back. Okay. Okay, I'ma just... Oh my gosh. Got me spending $50 dang. Oop. Guys. Got me spending $50 dang. Like, hey, got me spending $50 dang. Like, bro. Good. Put my phone right there. Go bring this up to Avery. Goodness. Okay. Ew, zucchini. I came finally inside. Opens door. Avery. Yes, Mom. Why do you look like a tomato? I am not a tomato. Why you got me spending $50 on just some boba and macaroons? Yeah, macaroons. I didn't know it was gonna cost that much. Anyways, here you go. And there's 3 donuts in there, but those are for your siblings. You can only have one. I'm gonna share. Girl, you gonna share no matter what. You got me spending $50 on just 2 things. Like, no, you're not gonna be doing that ever again. So yeah, I'm going in my room. Get my phone. That's my phone. Oh my gosh. Gosh, good. Got me spending $50 dang. Okay. Anyways, at least I got me snacks. Mom, where's my boba? It's downstairs. Okay, jeez. Okay, I'm done. My assignment. Let me get my phone. Let me do a mukbang on my TikTok. Okay, let's get. I actually almost forgot to get the thing. Okay, I'm gonna just do this right here actually. So let me get my thing. But I said put it down. Okay. Let me put my phone right there. Okay, start. Hey guys, welcome back to my TikTok account. So for today's video, I will be doing a mukbang with the new bakery that has chocolate and like all stuff. And then on holidays, they give you free donuts, and that's what my mom got. So yeah, like I'm so grateful. Okay, let's take. Let's get the stuff. I was gonna put a cleaner in here. No, I'm not even gonna ask. Okay, the bag over there. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna try a donut. This looks so good. That is so good. It's so tea. I'm gonna cry. It's so tea. Oh my gosh, I think it's so good. Okay, these donuts are for the rest of us. So I'm gonna take that out. I said I'm gonna take it out. Macaroon. So good, bro. And I'm gonna just eat the rest of these macaroons because it's so good. Well, I wonder what Avery's doing. You know what? I'm gonna go see what she's doing. Avery! Oh my gosh! Avery! Oh my gosh, what do you want? I'm literally doing a mukbang on my TikTok. Now get out! Oh my gosh, you're so addicted to TikTok. What is that? None of your business, because it's mine. I thought I heard Mom. Avery, you better share those snacks before I come take them. Because the rest of that is for your siblings. Exactly, so give me some. Ugh, fine, here. Jesus, you're so greedy, but the macaroons are mine. Can I just got at least one? Fine, you piggy. Here. Thank you. I'm gonna go back to my room now. Goodness, so annoying. Now I barely got anything to do for the mukbang. Oh, I'm still recording? Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. You still love me, right? You still love me? You still love me? You still love me? Okay, guys. I'm gonna just eat the rest of these macaroons. Why is it on the right there? Why is it in the blanket? Go. Give me the dang macarons. Hey. Sit down. Okay, I'm done. Okay, boy, guys. Okay, that was so good. Like, there was drama in it too. Goodness, if you got me spending $50. Oh my god. Jesus. Like, gosh, so annoying. Oh my gosh. No, the power. Bro, the power just went off down upstairs. I need to go get them. Guys, are y'all okay? Mommy. Mom, the power. I'm gonna be from another TikTok. No one cares about your stacking TikToks right now. I need them in my life. I do not care. I'm gonna go check on Luke, cause oh my gosh, Mom. It's okay. I'm gonna ask Dad if you can turn the power back on and see if it works. No, Mom, it's literally storming outside. Come on, look. Oh my gosh, there's a tornado. Wait, let me check your thing. I can't. Oh my gosh, Mom, you're so dumb. I'm not dumb. You're not dumb one here. I graduated high school. Me too. I'm in college. I was in college too. Oh my gosh, stop talking. You stop talking. Okay, anyways, I forgot to check the weather. Let me go check my phone, because our phones still work. Where is my phone? Okay, guys, this is just going to be her phone, because this is the nearest phone that she has. Okay, I need to check the weather. Oh my gosh, there is going to be a bad storm. Oh my god, I need to go check on that. Guys, go to the, go downstairs. But downstairs, I don't care. Just go downstairs now. Come on, Cooper. Come on. Put down the dang snacks or just eat them. Okay, geez, I'll eat them. Okay, guys, come on. You're a part of me. You're a part of me. My gosh, Avery, shut up. Like, shut up. Like, you're so annoying. Guys, stop fighting. Guys, I have to turn off all the lights. It's dark. It's dark. Mommy. It's dark. know, sweetie. Just come on. It's okay. I'm scared. Oh my god. Babe, the power is off. Boy, I know. Babe, I know the power went off upstairs. And Evie's just crying about TikTok because she can't make any. Oh my gosh, if you're so dramatic, shut up. I'm scared. Yeah, me too. Guys, just shut up. Like, it's not even a big deal. Like, it's just a storm. Says the one who was crying over TikTok. That's not my fault. Guys, stop fighting now. Okay, we need to, like, oh my gosh. Guys, we need to, like, stay in the, Guys, I think we have to go in the bathroom. No, the bathroom is the worst. Yeah, and it stinks in there. I'm not going in no bathroom. Shut up, Melanie. You were crying over TikTok. Oh my gosh, you're so dramatic. You're dramatic. You're dramatic. Oh my gosh, you're so annoying. You're annoying. Yes, you are annoying. Yeah. Shut up, bro. Like, Jesus. I didn't even get to drink my boba. I'm gonna go get it right now. Who wants this other boba? Me. Here. Jesus, let me go get my phone. My phone is right here. Well, this is my second phone. Okay, now guys, come on. Let's just go to the bathroom. Hold me. Okay, guys, don't pretend that they're walking. Bro, the bathroom is stinky. Ew. I know, it's okay. Just, we'll deal with it. Where are we gonna sleep? Because I ain't sleeping on no floor. Yeah, I'm not sleeping on any floor. Yeah. Guys, just be quiet. And, like, shut up. Me and your dad will figure this out. We're gonna have to go to your grandma's house. Oh, bro, I'm not going in her attic. Like, it's so crowded in there. Yeah, my room is up there. Why is your room in the attic? Yeah. Yes, why is your room in the attic at grandma's house? Don't ask. She put me on there. Cricket. Okay, guys, we need to do something about this. You're acting like you're the leader, but you're not. Yeah, you're acting like you're the leader, but you're not. Guys, listen to your mother. Yeah, guys, listen to your father too. Get in the bathroom now. And we are sleeping in here. No. Okay. Y'all can pick your spot. I call in the tub. Okay. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna get like a thing that's empty. Yeah, I'm gonna just get something that's empty. Okay, this. Okay, guys, let me get this thing. I got a tub. No, me and your father are gonna get the tub. Actually, wait, never mind. You can, like, it just got dark. Us. Your siblings will be sharing the tub. I am not sharing. Okay, wait. The twins can go in there with the Your little siblings can go in their room because there's not that much windows. There's only 2. Yay! We don't have to sleep on the floor. Haha. Bro. Then where are we gonna sleep? We're going to go. Yeah, we're gonna go in the office. No, mommy, I don't want to be without you. Don't leave us in here. Fine, then we'll go in your siblings' room. Thank God we're not going in the bathroom. Okay, I'll sleep on one of these, on one of the pillows. I'm sleeping in my bed. Me too, I'm sleeping in bed. Well, I'm sleeping in the chair. I'll sleep on the beanbag. I'll sleep on one of the pillows. Closer, closer. Okay, I'll just take this one. Okay, I'll take this one. Closer, closer. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try finding something. Oh, wait, this. Okay, the hammock. Yeah. Okay, there's 2 hammocks. Oh wait, I forgot. They have hammocks. We can sleep on those. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll just sleep on these. Okay. Guys, press on the pan. Get it. Okay, guys. Good night. Night. Okay, guys, that's all for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Bye.